In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege black screen. Now what you want to do is on Steam, you want to find the game that you're having the trouble with, right click, properties, and then you want to go to installed files and verify integrity of game files. After that, you want to find the folder where you have the game. So just press browse, come to common, and then you want to find where you have the game file. Now in Rainbow, you want to open up the game, find the .exe file. If something is yours is called something else like Rainbow 6 or something, it's fine. Just find the .exe launcher file. Then you want to right click, properties, compatibility, and you want to disable full screen as well as run this program as an administrator. Press apply and press OK, and then try and launch the game. If it still doesn't work after you've done these things, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for device manager. In here, you want to find display adapters. Find your graphics card, right click and update the driver, and then update automatically. If it says you already have the best one, then that's fine. Then you want to Google your driver name and type software, and you should get the software. Now for me, it's in the NVIDIA one. So you want to download that and then you want to open it. And inside here, you want to make sure that you have the latest driver as well. So I'm just going to go to drivers and I can download the latest one. Once you've done this, what you can do is, if it's still not working, come to your desktop and right click, go to display settings. In here, you want to make sure your scale and layout is under recommended for both of these. And then what you can do as a last resort is I recommend you uninstall the game and then reinstall it if it's still not working. Keep in mind, after doing all of this, you should restart your PC so the changes can take effect. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.